Go down to second. Wow. Oh, this is good. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Hot off the press, this is of course my brand new A45S. Of course, in the reveal video, which I hope some of you guys or all of you guys have seen, I didn't do a first drive, which is exactly what we're doing today. As of yet, right now, I haven't driven the car. I bought it without driving it. I did come up here and have a look at it, but I've just collected it, literally just done all the paperwork. And I do actually have a pretty cool convoy. I have both my E92 M3 and Golf R Mark 7 at the back. I've got two friends driving those. Of course, I'm going to be having the first drive in the 45S. So this not only will be very cool for me to have a first drive in my 45S, but also it'll be pretty cool to see both the others on the road. So I think let's get all three fired up, hop inside the car and go take my A45S for its first drive. Oh, you have no idea how excited I am for this. 10,698 miles on the clock. Ignition on. Oh, this interior is so nice. And then start it up. Now, all of this, of course, I have to set up. We have this awesome digital dash in front of me, all of which is configurable. And then we have all the driving modes, which we'll get to. But what I am going to do is I'm going to change this. Should be able to go across styles and display. It's in classic at the moment. Oh, super sport. Wow, this is one hell of an interior. Anyway, we have the Golf R here. And we have the M3 here. So we're gonna have a nice little squad rolling out. This is so cool. Okay, into drive. M3 is heading out first. Oh, he's got the valves open. Then out goes the Golf R. This is insane. I've had the Golf R in a convoy before with the M140i back in the day. But never have I ever had three cars on the road at one time, especially with the 45S, because I've only just bought the thing. Onto the road we go. First few meters in the car, I want to change that to manual. I want to do the shifts myself. That looks mega on the road, the Golf R. It's actually mental to see all these cars. Oh, they sound good. See, this is the thing. They're both modified. I'm in the stock car. That M3 is so loud. And the Golf, actually. They both sound absolutely mental, those cars. Sorry, but that is the most insane sounding thing. Actually, we should be up to temp. We are indeed up to temp. Right, Sport Plus. It is quick. It's very, very point and shoot. But of course, still at this stage, very, very muted. I can't stop smiling though. I absolutely cannot stop smiling. Oh yeah, it's quick. It is quick. So whilst we tackle some very tight and twisty roads, actually, we've been having a little play with some of the operating system here, especially on the central display. Look at that. That is incredible, actually. Golf popping and banging away. Look at this. So cool, and I can kind of go through different things. I'm using 10% gas at the moment. Why does it not say throttle? Not in America. This is honestly such a cool car. Such a cool car. It just picks up and goes. And let's not forget, this thing is completely stock. Completely stock. No tune, no nothing. I really hope that you can hear all this. What I'm finding actually is those two cars are so loud that I don't know where the revs are on this, because you can't hear it. first impressions. Let's go. Let's not focus on them two for a minute. Feels like it's a compilation of kind of is a compilation of sound at this stage, isn't it really? But yeah, first impressions of the 45S. It's so easy and nice to drive. It's just so civilized, relaxed. The interior is absolutely incredible, completely customizable, of course, on the screens. Yeah, it's absolutely astonishing. 8 gears in this, actually. I was only in 7th. I wonder why it's telling me to change up. But yeah, I mean, in the rearview mirror, you can see the nice fixed wing on the back. I am very, very happy. Now, I do plan a little bit later on in the video to go to my usual countryside roads to really see what this thing is like, because unfortunately, like the drive up to the dealership today, it's mainly just motorways. Nonetheless, pretty fun with those two, that is for sure. And do I dare to put this window down? Tell him to downshift. Oh my God! Mate, holy moly. Okay, fast forward a couple of hours. We are now on some nice roads, ready to have some proper fun. Both cars are still behind me. It's just so point and shoot. I mean, even stock, it's fast. It needs a gearbox tune, I'll be honest. That's been my common observation when driving different ones of these, be it tuned or standard like this. But I mean, it goes down the gears pretty well, actually. It still doesn't sound too bad, stock. Do you know, it's surprising, you get quite a lot of torque steer. It does throw you around a lot. You've got to hold on, actually. And yes, this is quite a bumpy road, I'll admit. But yeah, you do find yourself squirreling a little bit, shall we say. It's just so fast. Brakes are good, actually. There's some solid bite on them, which I'm happy about. Yeah, obviously up to temperature now. Now, obviously, there is quite a lot of artificial sound which comes into the cabin. You can probably hear that more, actually, from the mics on the video than what it is in real life, I imagine. That's normally the case with these kind of cars. You get a few little muted pops from the back as well. It's got some potential, this car. In fact, no, scrap that. It's got so much potential, this car. I mean, a stage 2 is what, 500 horsepower? So 80 horsepower up from this? Yeah, it's got some real potential. Real potential. But in future videos, somewhere down the line, almost kind of reveal what I'm going to do to this car. Anything that can be done to this will be done. Put it that way. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll try it with traction off. Drop it down to second. See what it's like. Oh, it's good in the corners. Yeah, it's really good. Wow. God, the steering feels so direct. And actually, the back end gets a bit loose as well if you try and... Yeah, the back... Oh, this is good. The steering is so pinpoint. That's actually quite surprising. That's got to be the biggest surprise, actually. The steering and the handling, really good. You do get a little bit of slip with traction off. You can also alternatively put it in ESP Sport, which is kind of like half off. Anyway, folks, I think that's going to wrap things up for me today. First drive in the A45S with the Golf R and the E92 M3 in tow as well. Not that you can see right now. They are behind me, trust me. I'm surprised you can't hear them, actually. But yeah, what an incredible day. And yeah, awesome to take this thing out for a first drive, to have some proper fun with it down some nice country roads. Of course, there is plenty more videos to come of this car. The parts list and the plans are endless, believe me. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to basically sharing this whole journey with you and how this car develops, because believe me, like I said, there is a lot to do. But anyway, that's addictive actually. Please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you're subscribed for all the adventures still to come.